Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Torneo Connect. So from any screen on here, you want the settings, the two cogs here, click on the two cogs, that gives you this screen: radio, then Bluetooth. Turn the right button to Bluetooth, click on it, and you'll see add a Bluetooth device, view Bluetooth devices. So down to view Bluetooth devices, on there you'll see Barry's phone. Turn it down there. If I click on that, you can see connect, delete, or device information. I want delete Barry's iPhone. Yes, that's it gone.